Sudan Village, we hear you. Say hello to all the friends. Sudan Village, we hear you. Our hearts long to be there too. Sudan Village, we hear you. We are brothers. We are brothers.
So I'm glad we got this in, and we will pray for you, brother. I mean, I love you. You know that I look forward to seeing you.
We
every time
love
I can.
you too,
I know.
Mel. You are really in my heart. All these years, I know.
Well,
Thank you very much. You are a real, very good friend to me and my family and the church here. You are such a blessing to us here, and I'm very glad that today you step here in Pagero.
I am so happy that I'm
And I
here.
greet your pastor and send our greeting to your pastor, and we hope one time we shall, have time together.
When he utters his voice, there is a multitude of waters in the heavens. He causes the vapors to ascend from the ends of the earth. He makes lightnings for the rain. He brings the wind out of his treasuries. For the precious fruit of the earth, waiting patiently for it until it receives